What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while, but we're here, we're back, and we got the M's out today, bro. Yo. Nah, for yo. Is he trying to spin? Yo, is he trying to spin it? Yo, look. Oh shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I got my boy Steven's car. So what have you done to your car so far, bro?
We got catless downpipes, J pipe, charge pipe, intakes, and about it.
Yes, sir. We got the individual spec too, bro. Look at this. So we are on 666s and these are 20-inch. So I have no idea how good these are gonna perform on canyons. And my boy got my 19s. Look at this. Literally traded rims for like a whole week. So because I have no idea how these tires and these rims are gonna perform. I actually never took the F80 to a mountain run or a toge run or anything, bro. This car has just been literally sitting for like a 3 month because it was broken. And other than that, we just been freaking going to car meets, doing pulls, straight line pulls. But that's not what I want this car to be. I honestly want this car to be like a canyon car, or like a toge run car, like a track car.
And then I'm gonna run E.
Like upgraded turbos?
Like,
Oh yeah.
strategy.
Yeah. You saw that guy? I know, bro. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, bro. Damn, look at mine, bro.
Did you hear my tires squealing? Yeah, bro.
Oh shit. Dang. I just hope you guys enjoyed that segment, dude. But dude, we're actually really scared to go fast on these. Oh shit. It's a 435, right? 428?
Before we passed him, he looked stock.
Yeah. Switching over from JDM, driving the GRD6, and then switching into this. It's a huge difference, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This car is no match at all. Not even close for the handling of the GRD6. It's honestly crazy, bro.